Here we have 5 iconic OEM paint colors, and paired with each one is a HyperShift pearl. Today, we're gonna find out what happens if you take a well-loved OEM car paint color and try to modify it DYC style. So let me walk you through the 5 colors that we're working with. We've got Midnight Purple 2, Gulf Orange, Grabber Blue, Isle of Man Green, and Soul Red from Mazda. And paired with each one, Gabe and I really worked hard on this. We've got ZTM HyperShift getting paired with the Midnight Purple 2. Reason is, Gabe was thinking that ZTM might be the closest HyperShift to the existing color tones in Midnight Purple 2. So if we amp these up, you're basically looking at Midnight Purple 2 on steroids, and who doesn't want to see that? Gulf Orange, a bright, bold orange, we're pairing with ZGL HyperShift, which should add some really intense gold tones to that color. Grabber Blue, kind of that lighter mid-tone blue, nice and bright, we're going to pair with ZGA HyperShift so that the blues in ZGA kind of work in, but the greens hopefully will pop really loud. Isle of Man Green, a complex metallic color from BMW, we're going to pair with ZTG HyperShift, which is a green to bluish purple. No, it's not. It's a green to
blue, green, gold.
Bluish, greenish gold, and that's going to do awesome things. And then we've got the wild card, Soul Red from Mazda. This is a tri-color, multi-step with a metallic and a candy on it. So this one might go a little haywire, but we're adding ZTO HyperShift, which is like a gold to reddish kind of HyperShift. And that's going to go on the metallic base so that when the candy goes on top, hopefully it all goes nuts. So, which one are you most excited about?
Probably Isle of Man Green.
Really?
Yeah.
We're going to do 10 speed shapes total where we're going to show you the original OEM color and the enhanced version so you guys can tell us if we made them better or if we didn't. Are you ready? We got a lot of work to do.
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project and we have so much to show you. So first you're gonna see each unmodified OEM color followed directly by the modified or enhanced version of that color. Some colors changed just a little bit, some changed a lot. I can't wait to see what you guys think of each one. So check them all out, leave a comment below, let me know which ones you like, let me know which ones stand out to you, and if you want to change the color of your own car or play with any of our paints, whether they're peelable or permanent, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have everything there in one place. Gabe and I loved this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you on the next one.